Musumbi Dr. William Ruto Niwaumania Mauvaluku Kauta Nthini wa Ngava ila Ingi Sya Silikali Mbunge Vamwe na Muvia wa Usili wa Makoani kwa Kuendeea Kwitikilya Uthukumi Wina Ulusani Waweta Withiitwe Uyonzya Vanene Kithito Sya Silikali Kuukitana Ulusani ainena kavindane kala wavingwa umbano wa mwaka wa magavana ulawende kuya Homa Bay. Musumbi Dr. William Ruto ni wakathe uthukumi wa mutandao wa e-citizen thini wa kweli mauthukumi ma silikali pamwe na ukolani wa mbesa Waweta kana wapetanga bio uya ona umwe wa kana Vithiitwe na wanganga ni wilovia Sya mwene nthi otondu mwiki munene wa masabu Auditor General hona bithuyo Mbunge ni chumwane kiwetu Benjamin.
President Ruto no atumia chathiki kutula mutio kava Mbunge kwa kwithwa nekisi ikinene nthini wa Kuukitana Ulusani weta yumbe na maseneta methitwe maithenya hanene Ngavani kuthikonywa Sya Silikali vamwe na magavana no kana kunengwe vaki malolosi uthukumi wo ila meiki ya silikali ile kithimine.
There is something going on in our legislature that we must call out. There is money being demanded from the executive, from governors, from ministers, from people in the executive, especially those who go for accountability before our houses of parliament. Mr. Speaker, it cannot continue to be business as usual. It is not possible that committees of parliament demand to be bribed, demand to be paid for them to write reports or to look the other way for what is happening in either the national government or the county government.
Ingi no atula muti Muvia wa Usili wa Makoani kwa kwesuva sililwa aingi masieko Sya Ulusani la methitwe mainengwa cash bail atene kusiya mathiki wa mbini ila maikithwe na mavityo makung'ea mali ya mwene nthi.
Something called anticipatory bail. It is a Kenyan innovation that takes us backwards. Just let's ask ourselves, somebody who has stolen public funds and then goes to court and gets something called anticipatory bail, makes it impossible for such a person to be arrested and prosecuted endlessly. How does that support the fight against corruption?
President William Ruto no alumeleli walanyo wa e-citizen nikitina kinene nthini wa kwako kwatu wa silikali nene vumwana ila Sya county Ingi weta utetheche Vanene Kuukitana Ulusani nthini wa uthukumi wa mivia silikali wasio wa president uyoka mithina mivuthu hitino wa mwiki munene wa masavu yani Auditor General kuvithwa wandani undu mabilioni ma mpesa methitwe mailika mivukoni ya andu ana watena uikiku ona umwe yulu ametumile ya mpesa ino.
The platform has seen and has been an engine of economic opportunity, creating 600,000 jobs in ICT, support services, logistics, and other sectors, providing that digitization and proving that digitization is not just about convenience, but also about livelihoods. I therefore urge all counties to collaborate, share best practices, and celebrate while accelerating the adoption of technology to boost efficiency, cut waste, and enhance revenue performance.
Mwaka huu county sikwata shilingi bilioni 815 mweo wa wanyo ilovia Sya county weki wasa iyo mondeni President William Ruto nthini wa Homa Bay State Lodge. Vilengo wa mauvo kuma Vamwe sinilovi nyenito wa Benjamin Mwakam.